See, look.
Oh yeah.
See how I just wiped it?
Yep. What's up, YouTube? Chris back at it again with another vlog. What's up, guys? I hope everybody is having a good day today. Hope everybody is having an amazing, epic freaking day. I hope everybody's having an epic day. So today, it's just another daily vlog. You know, Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. I'm trying to upload every day as much as possible. So today we are heading to Peter Piper, and then we're gonna go watch some cars. You know, I'm trying to meet up with Herman here in a little bit. I think today I got 5 quick tips for you today about how to wash your cars at public car washes. I think I do. Now, the only thing is when I can wash my car, I have to wash my car at a public car wash because I do have hoses at my house, but at the same time, they don't really reach that well. And plus, this car, now that it's low, doesn't really want to make it up the driveway as best as possible. So I just leave it on, you know, I don't really like to wash my car at the house because it's a little bit more difficult for me the spigot for the hose is a little bit too far for the hose, so I have to put it I have to combine 2 hoses, and it's just not fun. So yeah, I like to go to public car washes. For me, it's more convenient for me, I should say. But yeah, we're just about to meet up with Herman over here. If you guys didn't know, I got stranded, and check out that other video right here, and Herman was the one that came to come pick me up. So it's a little, you know, he's my bro. I'm gonna go take him out to eat, pay him back for you know, saving my life. So yeah, let's go do this. There he is. Just fucking ran up on me like all crazy. What's up, fucker? I didn't get that part where you freaking dropped it.
No?
I didn't get it, no.
I felt it hitting the fucking exhaust.
Used to race back here in high school. Oh yeah, hitting the spot right now. That booty though, that booty. Herman installed that little third brake right there. That third brake light on the bottom. And I think that looks so sick. You don't see a lot of Z's with those. I just think it looks ridiculous. I think it's a 4th brake light actually, because he has 2 brake lights on the side, 2 tail lights, then one in the middle, and then one on the bottom now. Yeah, so 4th brake light, my bad. 4th brake light. See that? It looks so legit. I think it looks so legit. Oh, that's so sick. It's a nice Infiniti. Is that a M45? It's pretty cool. Sounds like a gun. See that light? That service engine light? It's exactly the fuel sensor. It goes off every time I fill up. Every time I fill up, that light goes off. So I know exactly what it is. It's the fuel sensor. I forget what P code it is, but it's an engine code for the fuel sensor, and I am going to fix that this weekend. I swear I'm going to fix that. That's what I call valet parking. Just hard parks it. Huh? Hard parks it at the fucking angled fucking parking lot. Let's go eat some Peter Piper. Saw it. Alright, so we're here at the car wash now. I'm gonna wash our whips. Got Herman on the other side over here. Oh, there he goes.
Huh? What?
So I got Herman on the other side, and then you're all fucking walking away. So, tip number 1 I would say is if you have to use the brush, rinse it off first. You just don't want this. Look at all this, like, it looks bad already. It's like worn to shit. But you know, you don't want all that dirt to be like, you know, scratching up your paint. So rinse it off. Rinse it off first. Rinse it off. Number 2, I would say, was go to a spot that has credit card use. You can use your credit card there. It's a little bit easier to stop it. You won't get charged. You won't have to keep getting change, all that jazz if you want to stop. I would say tip number 3 is bring your own wash mitt and bring your own soap. This can really help out if you're having to really clean your car, if it's really stained, it's dirty, really dirty. You don't want to use that brush. Bring your own wash mitt and soap. So let me go ahead and get this car wash started. What I usually do is pre-soak all the time, or at least rinse it off first, even before the soak, so you get most of that dirt off beforehand. And just, you know, it helps out a lot with like breaking down that dirt that's on your car. Then I go with soap. Well, obviously. Yeah, right, whatever. You use spot-free rinse as well. It's a little bit, it helps out like dry your car a little bit faster. So this is a wax and dry. I don't know how many times I've mentioned this product in my videos. It does wonders. It dries off your car really well, and it also dries it off really quick. So if you need to go wash your car really quick, this is the product to use. It dries it really quick. It's awesome. I guess that would be tip number 4. So what you want to do is go quarter panel by quarter panel, pretty much. You know, pretty much really want to just go by the each body part, I guess you could say, each part of the car, section it off, and then spray it on, and then, you know, just wipe it off. So tip number 5 would be bring your own chamois. What are those called?
These, yeah, it's a chamois.
This is chamois, but it's like not really a chamois. It's not leather, right?
I don't
it's
think
like
so.
It's like a, I can't remember what it's called.
An alligator butt.
I can't remember exactly what kind of material it is, but it's not leather. It's like a chamois. Anyway, those absorb water like really well. If you can't, just bring, you know, regular microfibers. But yeah, just Herman, can you show them like the
way my car though?
Like how you like lay it on so you can fucking take water off really quick.
Fuck, I wish like the hood.
Yeah.
I'll just wring it out because it's gonna have a lot of water in it. So I'll just lay it flat, and then you always want to wipe in one direction. So you're just gonna pull it down like this, so that it all fucking, and then just wring it out. Pretty much, just as long as you wipe it one direction, you won't really scratch your car.
You won't really get swirls.
Yeah. Right. Plus, you gotta make sure that this is like at least clean. You know what I mean? You can see like I wiped it on the bottom. But I usually start from top to bottom anyway, because the bottom's gonna be the dirtiest of the whole car. Yeah. So if you start like, you know, doing this and then like go up here, you're gonna, you know what I mean? You're gonna scratch your car. So it's like, I always start. Pretty much what I did. Whoops. See, look.
Oh yeah.
See how I just wiped it?
Yep.
See, and then if you start from the bottom and then you go up here, you're gonna put all this. You know what I mean? Yeah.
That's what it's called. It's a synthetic material. It's not natural material. It's not leather. It's synthetic. Use that to your advantage. I usually use that wax and dry too all the time. So, and Herman uses chemical guy's shit because he went to Arizona and got all kinds of fucking crazy stuff. Check out his bag right here.
It's my bag, bro.
Jesus, bro.
Got a little foam applicator right here. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. Bam, boy! Some brushes. Got a tire.
For wheels, right?
Well, yeah, for wheels. Then your tire dressing, foam pad.
Dang.
Yeah, pretty much it.
I'm not that extreme, but you know, it does help especially if you have your stuff all, you know, prepared, I guess you could say. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the windows, and then that's pretty much it. Just a glass cleaner. I maybe spent like 20 minutes here, so it's not that bad. I know, bro. It's probably coming out of mine too, huh?
Yeah, I can see it. Fuck! My car got all dirty, bro. Damn.